Hi everyone, so thank you so much for clicking this video once again. First of all, let me know how are you all. I hope that all will be doing great and really doing hard work for their dreams. So in today's video, I'm going to cover one important thing, that is why do we not get result. Yes guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about in spite of putting efforts every day, what are the reasons and what is the reason because of that we do not get result. In today's video, I'm going to cover these things and trust me guys, it is my real experience that I'm going to share with all of you, and I am sure that from this video you are going to know an important things for your life. In today's video, I will give you something that will help you a lot in your whole life. So please be ready for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So if I talk about the reasons because of that we do not get any result, so I'm talking about in spite of putting efforts every day, why do we not get result? This is the question, and the answer is very simple. What do you think, what will be the reasons because of that you are not getting anything in spite of putting efforts? I know that everybody puts their efforts, I know that everybody is doing hard work for their dreams, but why some people get success and why some people do not get that success? Have you ever thought about it? I have felt these things, right? And my experience says that there is only one reason because of that mostly people are not able to fulfill their desire, fulfill their goals, fulfill their dreams, and that is great expectation, that is over expectation from our hard work. Suppose that we all are learning English language, right? We all are learning English language, and because of our learning this language, because if we think that I'm learning English language, after learning this language I will do this, I will do that, English language will give me this priority in my life, English language will give me fame, English language will give me success. If we have this much great expectation from this language, from our skills, from our efforts that we are putting right now, so you can write my words, you will get success but not that much. You will not be happy with that, you will not be satisfied from your success that time, because you will have great expectation, you will feel sad because you will not get that much result that you expect in your present time. You are just dreaming about the success, right? This is the main reason. Because of that mostly people are not able to get the result, because they have great expectation from their hard work. Always we do hard work, we obviously mostly people are doing hard work, I know that everybody puts their 100%, but in exchange of their hard work, what they want, they want name, they want fame, they want success, they want everything because of their hard work. In one time they have so much expectation from their hard work, so how will it work? According to me, this is the main reason, I think. at, and the one time we think about so many things, right? If you are putting efforts for learning this language, so I know that you will have expectation from this language. I will learn this, after that I will get job, after that I will do something, I will have fame, name, everything. I know that you have great expectation, because of that you are not getting result. I have heard so many times that, ma'am, I am putting efforts, I have been learning English language for 1 month, for 2 months, for 1 years, but what is the reason? Because of that I'm not able to speak English fluently. So you will get answer from this video, and that is your great expectation. This is very deep thoughts, right? So try to understand these things. I'm talking about it because I have felt these things. And guys, if I talk about the main reason for making this video, that is only there is only one reason, that is not having success, not achieving that things what we want, what we feel like achieving. That is the reason, because of that I'm creating this video, and I hope that you are getting my point. So guys, please do not expect so much from your hard work. I know that hard work always pays off. So please wait for that day. Your hard work will bring color for you. So do not expect so much from your hard work, because it is obvious if you are putting your effort, so that will bring color for you. Okay, so I hope that you got something from this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, have a nice day.